Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to install Cash App in Australia. So let's start the video. You can see that there is no Cash App in App Store. Let's solve this issue. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, click on your iCloud profile name at the top of the page. After that, click on Media and Purchases. Here, click on Continue. It may take few seconds, so wait for a while. Now click on Media and Purchases. Click on View Account. It will ask your Apple ID password. So enter your Apple ID password here. In this page, click on Country Region. Now click on Change Country or Region. Here you have to select United States. Click on Agree at the top right corner of the page. Apple Media Services Terms and Condition. I have read and agree to the Apple Media Services Terms and Condition. Click on Agree. Then again click on Agree at the top of the page. Here select None option under the payment method. After that, enter your billing name. Enter your surname. Now enter your billing address. Here you have to type your billing address. Then type your city name. Select your state. Now type your zip code. Next, type your phone number. After that, click on Done button at the top right corner of the page. Now go back to App Store and check that Cash App is showing or not. Search the app. Search the Cash App in the search bar. So friends, you can see that Cash App is showing on my iPhone. Now, if you want to download, click on Done button. This app will be installed on your iPhone.